In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for beginners. We'll start from scratch, so if you've never used Grok AI before, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to start engaging with this powerful tool. First things first, let's open up a web browser and head to Google. This is where we'll begin our search for Grok AI. Once you're on the Google homepage, it's as simple as typing Grok into the search bar. Now, you might see a few different results, but what we're looking for is the official Grok website. So, go ahead and click on that link to take you directly to their website. Now that we've reached the Grok AI website, the exciting part begins. This platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for beginners. What you'll want to do here is think of any question or prompt that you have in mind. In our demonstration today, we'll be using the prompt, "Tell me more knowledge on iPhone 17. But feel free to craft any question you'd like to explore. With your question ready and entered into the text field on the Grok website, you're just one step away from getting a response. Look for the Submit button on the page, and when you're ready, go ahead and click it. This button submission sends your query into the Grok AI system, where the magic of artificial intelligence takes over. Just like that, after you hit submit, Grok AI will process your question. It sifts through vast amounts of information to provide you with a comprehensive and thoughtful answer. This part usually happens quickly. You'll soon see a response generated by the AI, detailing information about your query, in this case, insights about the iPhone 17, and there you have it. The whole process from start to finish on how to use Grok AI for beginners. It's straightforward and a fun way to dive into the world of artificial intelligence, expanding your knowledge and feeding your curiosity. The best part about Grok AI is its versatility. Whether you're looking for tech insights, historical facts, or even creative ideas, it can help. As you continue exploring Grok AI, don't hesitate to try different questions or prompts to see the vast array of responses it can generate. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to embark on your journey with Grok AI. Remember, the more you interact with the tool, the better you'll understand its capabilities. Happy exploring!